G'day and welcome to the Curtain and Blind Company. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to measure for blinds to fit on the face of your architrave. Measuring is very simple. All you need to do is identify where you want your blind to sit above the window. In this case, I want it to go from one edge of the architrave all the way to the other. So that's what I'm going to measure. Hook your tape measure onto one side of the architrave. It's always tricky at the top. Pull it all the way along. And that's 1700 millimeters. And that's what I'm going to record for the width of my blind. The next part is to measure 3 times the length of your window from the top of the architrave all the way down to the windowsill. That's 1240 millimeters. Go ahead and measure the middle of your window. That's 1240 millimeters again. And lastly, on the left-hand side, that's 1242 millimeters. So we know now that this side is 2 millimeters longer than the rest of the window. And in this case, we're going to record the largest measurement. So 1242 goes into the book. And that's it. That's how you measure for face-fitted blinds that you want to fit onto your architrave.